Brother fire on the burn, yeah. Already, I've been telling them, free losing the people what I need. If I don't believe it, that's to me. But see from a barn, I got me mean. My mother grew me for no sense of the scene. When you know you have to be, I'm going to something but red them can't defeat. When it comes to the mess, they want to leave, and the youth to the argument. They are no integrity. Who benefit when they use them back up in the cemetery? And the music and that bring the energy. It no matter if you edit it. Anything you tell them, everything is a soapy. I mean, when the music more than starch and protein. We have make sure that them feel more. We can't try to use our organic protein. Deeper than yourself use. Don't listen to everything when the preacher them tell you. Me, they want to make like L2. To the infinity, the pyramid of L2. Me, now be no guinea pig for the system. It is my definitive, we're definitive. See, now let's have self-comment in the vicinity. But I really approximate. Real to the people what I need. If I die, the name not to me. From the name of my father, can't be me. My mother go for the nose of the see. But the nose of the beat, I'm focused on the red and the defeat. When it comes to the mental quantity, you see the answer. Party too long, none of them now come down the future. In a studio quick drop the future. Come in like them party too hard. Now go to the to the people what I need. If I don't believe it's not to me. From the people gonna down with me. My mother go for those that can't see. And you know you have to be the focus of people ready to get it. When it comes to the mental quantity, you see the anthem. Let's see. I call on Corofire. I call on J Island. I call on Michael Sherman. Who's that? I don't know the people I want to talk, you know. Artists! In the building, you
I was at East and Second Season, welcome Manchester from out of East. I was at Seas Ball and Chronics in the street. I was at Kabaka Pyramid Live. Say yeah! Come again. One drop roots, Kabaka Pyramid same. 10 stepper, 10 stepper, head of them, 10 stepper. Tell them on now, we don't see I federal. Right now we are fighting. When you start find out the quality with the feet, you step in and the fire and the feel with the pain and a sprinkle. I love me feet, them no want the chronic best. I love me feet, but still I see them in a big eye love me feet. Them a free man in the city, get to find out them a demon. And when they start find out, come back and pyramid where they come every time. Not over evil, right from the heart. When they give me a star on a warrior war. Tell them on a warrior war. Circle and sneak, full sort of armor, gold in a hand. When they give a hand up, grab the Babylon on a warrior war. Tell them on a warrior war. And we say la 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 la. Ba ba boo ba ba boo ba. Ba ba boo ba ba boo ba. Hey, turn up a top boo. We're not going to bus road now. We left that out the road. What do you mean? Let's come again. Let's come again. And I just take a land piece when we jump with the beast of a top. But what? Left some of them away at the bus. Just get the bus and go fall off track and see them a bus back. Away for the bus back. Fucking swat. Still I see I alone. We salute always like a decent canic attack to. Me nah do what Babylon want me do. Just in a straight jeans, me in a coffee zone. The only one is fast away. Me nah balance no bad. And when the old Jamaica reach them, me nah balance no bad. They never leave and no me tell one. If they put up on it for the microphone, and fi Rasta fi real. Full up of the figure and the energy the zeal. I listen up the eye rock it every seal. All who never hear can know them a feel. And the if you are the man of steel, all me shall bow when prophecy reveal. A Rasta running on every ocean sea. No better no man for the lotion.
Some is elected the youth that connect him well sample. Him step through the Babylon get trampled. Lyrics and rhymes them and it's a
easy kabaka, the over evil the people of Alpha. Things is queen of the dance and fanta.
We hotter than the kettle top. Make them know say jump at the baby rock.
Like coming my way, the herds are ready for the tussle. They try to train and shackle, but all of them have for me. I foresee what them afraid. The enemy they have for what they come to catch us, not just soul. The fact beware of that the rats are racing for control. That's how the cats that deserve a chopping hole. Babylon not team and our blood, but we stay strong. I'm up in the nigga. There's a trillion. This is the vision. Lion has a strong. I have no fear, because I know you're right away. I got some problems that keep me up like coffee. Near-death experience wearing their lips in my coffin. Permanent screw, I don't smile that often. Warrior not the Gideon, just call me as far as some dimension of I'm stuck at the crossroads, I'm not a lost soul. Building my castle, call me a tadpole. I'm learning as I grow. Land to follow, keep it straight to the narrow edge. A strictly road, music I produce. I'm pushing on the media that thing. Calling music and making it. And that's the point is a lot of people up to the corner of origin. The way things are all of you. And it's not the person that I think of.
Even in hell, you can find an oasis where graveless corpses lay faceless on a pavement. Cages, bloodhounds, and strays, and who wants to be on the receiving end of the day? Damn, day-to-day I'm more vigilant. The snitches and snakes, fakes are more frivolous. Venom is in every vein, the semi-sprain in any brain. Blow up like 75% of your face, ain't very strange. You feel the rage? You know it's feeding time. Heat the top, need a 9 to bleed, it's time to leave it down. These are the tales of the place that we live. Unfulfilled dreams and the fiends keep abusing the kids. These storm angels Santa wouldn't dare visit. Birth from a womb that was consumed by dirty syphilis. Roaming the streets is a taste of peace of the devil's love. Folks that joke to the amount of people that the cigarette kills. Feeling depressed under the stress up to their necks or bills. My mom said I shouldn't, I got a weapon still.
I will never ever entertain the amount of people make me gonna go so again.